Okay, students. Except the sixth one. Okay. Students, for the sixth one, please, everybody have a look at the formula given. I'll solve the fourth and fifth, and then we'll go for the sixth one, students. Just have a look at the formula, students. If you look at the formula, do keep in mind for the sixth one, students, okay? If in case, if I give you, students, y is equal to e raised to x, students, okay? And if I ask you differentiate dy by dx, we consider. Is that clear? Then students, differentiating y, that means e raised to x. So it's y is a function we consider. So differentiating e raised to x by dx, your answer will be simply e raised to x. Do keep this in mind. This is the mathematical relation you have to keep in mind. Whereas if in case if I ask you students, if y is equal to ln x, students, ln x is simply a logarithmic function. ये जो logarithmic function है, this is always to a base of e, which is a constant, students. यानी इसको तुम ऐसे लिखो, या you can write down log of x to the base of e also you can write down. Anything you can put forward in this manner. Now, if somebody asks you dy by dx, students, so differentiating y means, can I say differentiating ln x upon dx or ln x by dx, you can consider. See, students, you can speak this as ln x. Yeah, you can say ln x. Yeah, log of x to the base of e, you can consider. And if I happen to go for differentiate with respect to dx, then what exactly? The answer for this will be simply 1 by x. These are two important relations which you have to keep in mind. If I ask you y is equal to e raised to x, and then if I happen to consider differentiate dy by dx, students, then in that case, you have differentiating a raised to x by dx. Then students, you have the relation for this is a raised to x into ln a. This is also one more relation. It's a raised to x we consider and ln a we consider. Ln a can be written as what, students? It's again, I can write it in this form. Log of a to the base of e, students. So these are the three formulas which a student should keep in mind while solving problems based on to your sixth one, whether it's e raised to x, ln x we consider, or a raised to x we consider. And mind you, these formulas are the one which students generally forget it because escape problems बहुत कम होते हैं. The number of numericals which have been asked all the time, it's very less in that case. So the students forget this mathematical relations. You need to keep this in mind quite regularly. So this has to be put into your study table all the time. And when you go on observing it, you'll be able to crack it. Let us go for your 8th chapter, students. The fourth one we consider first. Okay, few students must have done it. Can anyone tell me how to go about the fourth one? The fourth question. Anyone can tell me?
Right, right, sir.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me put forward the question. Y is equal to, students, given to you as x raised to 4, 5 sine x minus 3 cos x. Yes, Nishant.
Okay, so first we do product
Wait a
rule.
minute, Nishant. Wait a minute. Students, is the audio and video fine with y'all?
Yes, sir, it is fine.
Okay. Yeah, carry on, Nishant.
Okay, so first we do product rule. So it'll become x4d bracket 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Oh no,
Okay.
wait.
You said it product rule. You said it product rule, isn't it? That means you must have taken this as u and this as v.
Yeah,
Okay, wait a minute,
yeah.
students. See, there are some students who will do in this manner. Some students will try to x raised to 4 और multiply करते हैं अंदर. Students, वो भी तुम कर सकते हो x raised to 4 into this, लेकिन students वो tedious process हो जाएगा. अगर तुमने इसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो वापस u भी यहाँ पे भी होगा, u भी वहां पे भी होगा स्टूडेंट्स. So that becomes a very lengthy and a tedious process, and that can lead to more of errors. You may not reach to a correct answer. So it's better you need to go for simply in terms of what? Take x raised to 4 as u and 5 sin x minus 3 cos x as v. So the formula we're going to consider is y is equal to u into v method, students. Yes, carry on, Nishan, now from here onwards.
From there, we'll get 4 d bracket 5 sin x minus 3 cos x divided
Okay.
by dx.
So
Then plus,
keeping u constant, you are trying to keep constant u.
yeah,
Okay, and he's trying to go for differentiating 5 sin x minus 3 cos x by
then
dx.
plus,
Hmm.
then plus v bracket u upon dx.
Okay, so 5 sin x minus 3 cos x and differentiate what? X raised to 4
Yeah.
by dx. Students, please pay attention. This we consider as u differentiating v, then keeping v constant differentiating u we consider. Hope everybody has got this particular formula clear. Please, this is what we are doing here in chapter unsolved question number 4, students. Okay, first you were done, 4th, 5th, 6th, I told you to do it, students. So please, those who have done it or those who are still struggling, please have a look into it very properly. Okay, carry on, Nisha. Further ahead.
Now we take 5 outside d and then we take sin x equals to cos x
Okay,
plus 3 sin x because cos x equals to minus sin x. So
absolutely
minus
correct.
minus becomes plus.
Okay. And for this, differentiating x raised to 4.
X raised to 4 will become nx n minus 1, which will give you 4x by 3 to the power of this to the power of 3.
Absolutely correct. Students, if y is equal to x raised to n, which I told you, this is a very important relation. Students, dy by dx will be equal to what? Will be n into x raised to n minus 1. Into dx by dx will get cancelled. So students, अभी उसने क्या किया? निशांत, what exactly उसने x raised to 4 वैसे ही रखा. Now please students, just go on to your basics. No need to worry in that case. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Differentiate पहले इसको करो, फिर इसको करो ना. u plus or minus v मेथड हो गया. Students, ये जो अंदर का मैटर है वो u plus or minus v होगा. तो इसको सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करो, इसको सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करो, जो साइन बीच में उसको रहने दो वैसे का वैसे ही. नो नीड टू चेंज इट. सो लेट अस गो फॉर दिस. अगर मैं डिफरेंशिएट, सपोज अगर मैं सेपरेटली बताता हूँ, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 5 sin x बाय dx. तो मुझे बताओ 5 क्या होगा? तुम बोलोगे सर 5 इज कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट कैन नॉट बी डिफरेंशिएटेड. व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x, स्टूडेंट्स? सो इट विल बी प्लस cos x. That is why what exactly Ishan said it. He put it 5 as it is. Differentiating sin x, he put forward as cos x. Then he kept the sign negative over here. Now see, the latter term is 3 cos x. So now suppose if I go for differentiating 3 cos x by dx, students, I'm separately doing it. Okay, this is the first column which I'm doing it very clearly and separating everything. It should not be a problem when you're getting such kind of questions further ahead. यहाँ पे क्या करोगे students? 3 constant है. He said 3 constants or constant terms cannot be differentiated. You can remove it outside. Differentiating cos x, he said it as minus sin x, students. Since he said it minus यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे already minus है. इसका आंसर minus में आ रहा है. ये minus है. Therefore, he said it minus into minus will be plus. And this will be 3 sin x. क्या ये clear हुआ to all the students? Is it clear to all the students who are into the group, students, those who haven't done it, or those are still? Aryan, Akash, Alisha, Earth, Dev. Are you getting it, students? Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please, good. Please, students, try to understand. और कुछ भी यहाँ पे any confusion, students, please, when I pause myself or if I hold myself, ask me. Clear करो इसको. Don't take these things further ahead just like that. Now, this was the part we did it. Now let me erase this part. Okay, now we go for the latter part of it. Okay. Now when I go for the students, sir, ये तो पूरा ये तो term वैसे का वैसे है 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. What is differentiating x raised to 4, students? Differentiating x raised to 4, what exactly Nishan said it? He said it as what? Using the relation y is equal to x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. यानी यहाँ पे क्या होगा students? यहाँ पे 4 होगा. Agree? X raised to 4 minus 1. Students, x raised to 4 minus 1 यानी क्या होगा? X cube आएगा. So this becomes my relation we consider. So now when you look into it, what exactly the answer for this you'll be getting it? Students, what exactly the answer you'll be getting it over here? The answer for the fourth one you'll be getting it is x raised to 4 into bracket 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Agreed? Plus 4x cube 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Is this clear with everyone? That's your answer for fourth one. Agreed, students? All of y'all? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about fifth one? Who wants to go for the fifth one? Y is equal to root of x plus 1 upon root of x minus 1, students. Which two steps? This step. Akash. Okay, this step I'm getting it as a differentiate. इसी का differentiating किया मैंने u plus or minus u method. Okay, Akash. I've used u plus or minus v. For this we consider so 5 constant होगा differentiating sin x is cos x. ये formula which I told you very clearly. यहाँ पे minus 3 होगा differentiating cos x is minus sin x. So minus into minus will be plus 3 sin x. ये वैसे का वैसे होगा differentiating x raised to 4 is this formula. Y is equal to x raised to n, differentiating dy by dx is n into x raised to n minus 1. तो यहाँ पे होगा 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1. Therefore, it's 4x cubed. And the same terms I put it back over here.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I say what we do in the system?
Yeah, bolo.
Sir, we know that root of x is x raised to 1 by 2. We know that that's the power of x over here in this case. So we do 1 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1 plus 1 the whole upon denominator.
Okay.
1 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus 1. And
Okay.
after finding that we above we get 1 upon 2 x raised to minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 the whole upon x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1.
Then
So then if we are to do it, we find that it will be 1
which formula
upon
will be using it?
x,
Which formula? Formula is which one?
y is
Is it
equal
Dividing
if
one,
we
huh?
Is it
If-
u plus or minus v? Is it product rule? Is it quotient rule? Is it sum
sir,
interval?
y is
Product
equal to
rule.
x raised to n. Y is equal to x raised to n formula.
My dear, but there's a ratio, na? यहाँ पे ratio है ना?
So we use quotient rule, right?
Yes, you have to use quotient rule. When there is a ratio, how can you go
Okay.
for differentiating this separately? Students, ये होगा पूरा तुम्हारा u, ये पूरा हो जाएगा तुम्हारा u, और ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा v, students. And this is a very good question.
So I have done it. Should I
Okay.
tell?
Nishant, you have done it. Good. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Let me put forward. Students, see one thing. You should try to figure it out the question. Without figuring out the question, how can you move just blindly? When I gave you certain rules to keep in mind, you should try to understand कि कौन सा रूल होगा यहाँ पे. तो तुम अगर suppose अगर तुमने somebody said it that is इसको x raised to half लेके differentiate करोगे. चलो ये हो सकता था, लेकिन अगर ये denominator नहीं होता तो हो सकता था मेरे भाई. यहाँ पे denominator आ रहा है. तो डिनोमिनेटर को तुम क्या करोगे? तुम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो क्या अपॉन में लिखोगे फिर ये? Is there any rule in that case you have to differentiate this separate and this separate? No. This is simply u by v method we consider, and in u by v method, Nishant, can you give me the formula? What is y is equal to? If I give you a differentiating, y is equal to u by v. Now I want dy by dx. What's the formula? U by v
So
method.
v d
Du
d
by
upon u upon dx minus u minus u dv upon dx upon now divide the whole thing by v square
absolutely correct.
dv
Yeah,
square.
I told you, unless and until you don't remember the formula, you're not going to move further in derivatives part. See, I made it very clear. These are simply like your lowest round में तुम tables कैसे learn करते थे? Every night used to sit with it. Hopefully, okay. Exactly same thing यहाँ पे भी students. You can't just randomly speak it out. So हम तो randomly बिंदास कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. जो तेरे दिमाग में आएगा, you will just try to put across. No, थोड़ा सोच what exactly it is. उसके लिए तेरे को formulas revise करने की जरूरत है. Formulas अगर तू revise नहीं करोगे and then you start putting across, you're giving incorrect answers. तो तुम्हें पता है ये पूरा u है, ये v है. अभी देखो इसको इसके हिसाब से कंपेयर करो. If in case if I start comparing in this manner, then what exactly I consider? अरे हाँ sir, ये तो हमारा v आया, यानी इसको मैं पहले लिखूँ. The answers and how to about go about with this. Students, I'll keep v as it is. I'll keep v as it is. I'm going to differentiate u with respect to dx we consider. Then in the second case, what exactly? I'll keep u constant, students. I'm going to keep u constant, differentiate v, but denominator will be v square. That is, denominator will be root of x minus 1 the whole square. Your final answer, student, have a look. Everybody, chalo, without solving this, look at your final answer. If in case if you see the answers given over there, have a look at in chapter, page number 29, fifth question. Look at the answer. Look at the answer. Everybody, denominator में duc root x minus 1 the whole square लिखा हुआ है वहां पे. Have a look over there. If you have your module or in form of a booklet or a PDF, look into it. तो वहां पे ये v square दिया है. That is what it is. Students, you should judge it. What exactly it is. You can't just randomly put across. Now we'll go for the formula. Once again, please, students, what is the formula? Since I don't have space, I'm putting it across. If y is equal to u by v method, we consider, students, differentiating dy by dx. Keep your denominator constant. Differentiate numerator minus. Keep numerator constant. Differentiate denominator upon denominator square. This rule I'm going to apply it over here. Now let us go for this. Okay, students, many of the students must have struggled for this. I'm giving you just 2 minutes. I've given you the formula. Try it by yourself. I'm giving you just 2 minutes. 2 minutes दे रहा हूँ. ये try करो अपने आप से. I'm solving it after 2 minutes. और फिर तुम्हारा solution मेरे साथ में compare करना. Right now, solve it. Method is u by v. Again, I repeat the formula. First, you keep v constant. Differentiate du by dx. Minus sign आएगा. I getting it? Then keep u constant. Differentiate dv by dx upon denominator square. I'm giving you 2 minutes right now. Can I erase this solution, students? Fourth one, can I erase it? Students, can I erase the fourth one? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. प्लीज पेशेंटली करना, डोंट बी इन अ रश, थोड़ा सा सेंसिबली ट्राई टू डू इट, ओके? टेक योर टाइम, लेकिन डोंट बी इन अ रश. Okay, students, many of you all must have tried to put forward. Now, please cross-check your solutions. Please, I'm putting it across to you all, okay? Students, this is U and this is V. First, what exactly I'll keep V constant. Root x minus 1. Okay, go on to your instinct, students. Okay, differentiate ये. तो इसको मैं differentiate में लिखूंगा. Differentiate root of x plus 1 by dx. फिर minus sign. Okay, this was V constant differentiating U. Now I'm keeping U constant. Root x plus 1. Differentiate what? V. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Differentiating root of x minus 1 by dx. Upon what exactly? The whole upon V square. So root of x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, that's the value of what? Dy by dx. So I can put forward over here entirely as dy by dx is equal. Please everybody cross check your solution also simultaneously. अभी देखो तुम्हें जब भी आगे बढ़ना है तो डायरेक्टली मत करो ना, अगर गलती हो तो डायरेक्टली मत करो, इसको पहले सेपरेटली सॉल्व करते हैं ना. स्टूडेंट्स ये देखो, ये तुम्हारा रूट ऑफ x माइनस 1 वाला कीप इट एज इट इज, इसको तुम छूओगे नहीं क्योंकि कांस्टेंट है. लेट अस सॉल्व दिस सेपरेटली. एक सेपरेटली रफ वर्क पीछे की तरफ या राइट हैंड साइड में करो. अगर मैं बोलूं डिफरेंशिएटिंग स्टूडेंट्स रूट ऑफ x प्लस 1 बाय dx, तो ये क्या होगा? u प्लस v मेथड. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे भी देखो फॉर्मूला आ गया u प्लस v मेथड, यानी ये क्या होगा? डिफरेंशिएटिंग रूट ऑफ x बाय dx प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 बाय dx. देखो आ गया कि नहीं आया? u प्लस v मेथड. अभी देखो व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग रूट x. रूट x का मतलब क्या हुआ? x टू द पावर ऑफ हाफ होगा. अरे सर x टू द पावर ऑफ हाफ यानी ये फॉर्मूला हुआ x रेज़ टू हाफ, x रेज़ टू n. व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला? n आगे आ जाएगा तो हाफ आगे आ जाएगा. x रेज़ टू व्हाट? n minus 1, हाफ माइनस 1. एग्रीड स्टूडेंट्स? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? हाफ x रेज़ टू व्हाट इज हाफ माइनस 1? माइनस
minus half.
What about the latter term? पीछे वाला term क्या होगा? Differentiating 1. 1 is a constant. Different 1
Zero.
0. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Then I'll move ahead. Please,
Yes,
students,
sir.
hi. Not one. I'm not just asking one. Okay. Come on, the rest
Yes,
of
sir.
them. Aryan, Alicia, Arman, Bhumi, Jason, Mayank, Mayur, Panchal. Parth, you have done it, Parth? Are you getting it, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Purvi, what about you, Purvi? Purvi, are you there? Ria, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Smith. You're getting it, Smith?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Soham is getting it. Soham is quite smart. Yash, what about you, Yash? Yash, are you there?
Yes.
Mariam got it. Krisha also got it. Okay. तो ये था. तो now I'll put it back over here. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? देखो ये लिखूंगा मैं. Please pay attention. half x raised to minus half. I'll put x raised to minus half. कोई problem नहीं. Keep it as it is. Can I say this will be closed bracket? Now minus sign. This will be what? Root of x plus 1. Students, what is differentiating? Same thing. Now ये plus की जगह पे क्या होगा सर? देखो ये चीज plus की जगह पे ये minus आ गया. तो ये क्या बन गया? Minus होगा. Answer तो वही रहेगा. Differentiating root of x means my answer will be what over here? It will be half x raised to minus half, and the latter part is 0. 1 cannot be differentiated because it's minus 1. Upon what exactly I consider? Upon the root of x minus 1. Is this clear to all of you all students?
Sir, square.
Sir, x minus 1 the whole square.
Very sorry. Square of it, b square. Is this clear, students, all of you all?
Yes.
Now, now let us move further ahead. Now, students, when you look into it, what exactly this will be? So this will be simply root of x minus 1. This is x raised to minus half. Students, what is a raised to minus m? Can I say 1 upon a raised to m? Laws of indices.
Yes.
तो ये देखो, ये तो 2 तो डिनोमिनेटर में है. x raised to minus half यानी क्या ना? Put 2 root x. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Agreed. X raised to minus half will be what? X raised to plus half. So 2 root x minus root x plus 1 upon 2 is in the denominator. X raised to minus half. Can I put this as root x? Is this clear, students? The whole divided by what? Root of x minus 1 the whole square. Now see, this becomes your answer. अभी तुम क्या करो? इसको सिर्फ और थोड़ा सा modify करो. Same LCM आ गया तुम्हारा. LCM क्यों आया तुम्हारा?
Yes,
इसका
sir.
करो भाई.
I
इसका
did it in a different way. What I done was I took
Yeah.
what half upon x minus to the power what minus 1 upon 2. I took that as common and then done it.
Okay, you remove this as half as common in that case and remove it
Yeah.
out. Isn't it? Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Now see, if I happen to consider this will be in the ये क्या होगा तुम्हारा? ये denominator में ही चला जाएगा and ये तुम्हारा जो 2 root x है वो नीचे आ जाएगा. Into bracket ये होगा root of x minus 1 the whole square. Numerator में क्या होगा? Root of x minus 1 minus root of x plus 1. Solving it further, what exactly this will be? Root of x minus 1. This is minus root x plus into minus minus 1 upon what exactly consider? 2 root x into bracket root of x minus 1 the whole square. Solving it, your plus root x minus root x will get cancelled. This is minus 2 upon 2 root x into bracket root of x minus 1 the whole square. This will get cancelled. So what's your final answer? Minus 1 upon root of x into bracket root of x minus 1 the whole square. Students, is this clear? यहाँ पे मैंने LCM सेम लिया स्टूडेंट्स. LCM सेम हुआ. ये जो माइनस साइन की वजह से स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा जो पीछे वाला टर्म है उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखने की आदत रखो. तो ये साइंस चेंज हो जाएगी. प्लस इनटू माइनस इज माइनस, प्लस इनटू माइनस इज माइनस. तो ये प्लस रूट एक्स माइनस रूट एक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा. -1 -1 माइनस 2. ये न्यूमरेटर का 2 डिनोमिनेटर का 2 कैंसिल होगा. द फाइनल आंसर इज -1 अपॉन रूट एक्स root of x minus 1 the whole square. Is this clear to all of you? Yes.
So can you explain the 2 root x part again?
Which part?
So of the indices formula which you said.
This
2
part.
root x. Yes.
This part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now listen carefully. ये जो है ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है my dear. This is laws of indices. ये तुम्हें ये पता चला? Did you get this part of it? How did I get this? Differentiating root of x will be half x is to minus half. Huh? Did you get this part of it? Using this formula?
Yes, I understood that.
Okay, now down this one now, please. Look at this only. Look at this fraction. So this is x raised to minus half. If you look at your laws of indices, what have you learned in laws of indices? Please, students. If I say a raised to minus m, students can be written as 1 upon a raised to m. Or a raised to m can be written as 1 upon a raised to minus m either. नेगेटिव को I'm making it into a positive power. Students, तो देखो ये x raised to minus half था, उसको मुझे पॉजिटिव बनाना है, तो क्या करूंगा? 1 upon x raised to half लिख सकता हूँ. And students, what is half? x raised to half का मतलब क्या हुआ? It's within the root sign.
Root
Root.
x.
Root
Yes, sir.
was already in the denominator. Therefore 2 root x. यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? Upon 2 root x आया. दोनों का denominator same है, so I can go for LCM is 2 root x. That 2 root x will come in the denominator. Students, the next part is this
Yes,
part. Suppose if I give you C upon D, the whole upon E. Students, C upon D, the whole upon E. So what exactly your answer will be? What is the answer will be? You'll say C
C upon D into E.
Yeah. So same thing मैंने ये देखा ना, ये term और ये term को मैंने नीचे ले लिया into this part of it. क्या ये clear हुआ students आपको?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So please, students, when you're solving in the initial state, such a big chat. Shubham. Oh my God. Shubham, you should speak it out. Okay, इतना बड़ा chat कर रहा है. Of course, absolutely correct. Any ratio method hoga students, then you have to go for UI method. So whenever you're solving problems, students, try to see to that you solve very properly. So what you go on to directly mat jao, go on to your basics, try to build confidence first. Try to reach to a correct answer. जैसे तुम्हें correct answers मिलना शुरू करेगा, your confidence will start rising and then you will start moving more faster. Don't go for speed at all right now. Just try to remember the mathematical formulas and go for this. Now, can I erase the fifth solution entirely, students? Because sixth one is a very good question, and that is based on to the formulas which I've put over here. Students, can I erase the fifth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nishant has done the sixth one. Nishant, you were only saying anything, right?
Yeah, I have a doubt on this one, but I have done some working.
Okay. I thought you have done it. Okay. Let me solve the sixth one. Okay. I'll solve
No,
sixth
because
one.
like I'm not sure the method is right or wrong, because what I done was I took quotient rule, and quotient rule I took the product rule, and that became very confusing.
Okay. Of course, yeah, there's a quotient rule, but in the numerator it's x into ln x, na? तो वहाँ पे product rule आएगा.
No, but then my final answer is coming 1 upon x minus x ln upon x ex plus 1.
Okay. I'll solve it. I'll solve it for you. Please pay attention. Have a look at the sixth question, students. This is a good one. Okay. And such kind of questions are very rarely asked in that case. And ये तुम्हारा decider है, students. जब भी problem, जब भी question paper होता है ना, students, major test वगैरह होता है, तो major test में ऐसे 5 to 6 questions they put forward, and that is a decider of one getting more than the rest of the students. So somewhere or the other, you need to remember this mathematical formula which I've put forward over here. Now let me put forward the question, students, the sixth one. Okay, given to you that sixth question. Okay, let me take this as y is equal to x ln x. Agreed upon e raised to x, students. This is a question given to me. Now, since I've got the ratio part of it, students, so what I'll consider? I'll take this as my u. I'll take this as my v. So I can go for u by v method. Formula क्या? What exactly u by v method we can consider is, then we'll go for say differentiating dy by dx. तो सर सबसे पहले I'll try to keep for what? So we'll try to keep v constant. जैसे आपने बोला था तो e raised to x को मैं constant डालूंगा. क्या करूंगा? Differentiate this part of it. So can I write differentiating x ln x by dx. Absolutely correct. Agreed. Minus 9. Now what I'll do, I'll keep this constant, x, ln x, differentiate what? The denominator part of it. So differentiating e raised to x by dx. Upon what? Square of the denominator. So I can write an e raised to x the whole square. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको पहले? Students, is this formula clear? This is the ratio u by v method. So keeping v constant, differentiating u, then keeping u constant, differentiating v with a negative sign upon v squared. Now move further ahead. Now listen carefully, students. This is e raised to x itself only. Now see over here, when you look into students, यहाँ पे x into ln x है ना students? तो ये क्या होगा? ये product rule होगा यहाँ पे. So those students who are very fast or those who know the things very properly, they go with a certain speed. तो directly करते हैं. तुम क्या करो? इसको separately solve करो ना. इसको एक separately problem पकड़ के करो ना. अब इसको मैं separately लिख रहा हूँ. और फिर उसका आंसर यहाँ पे introduce करो. This is how you have to do your questions in such kind of it. When you find out कि थोड़ा सा trickiness आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा complicated हो रहा है, expression थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा है, और अंदर terms आने शुरू हो गए, तो थोड़ा सा try to separate it and try to figure it out and keep it over here. Now see, differentiating x, ln x by dx. So can I say this is u and this is v? So what is u into v method we consider is? Then first I'll keep u constant, students. Formula u into v method, students. Have a look into it. Give me the formula. Keeping what exactly I'll consider will be? Keeping u constant in that case. Differentiate क्या करूँगा? ln x by dx, students. Okay. Second case में plus ln x common. Differentiate what? dx by dx. This is product rule. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Students, then only I'll move further ahead. U into v method, keeping u constant, differentiate v, keeping v constant, differentiate u. Is this clear, all of y'all?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो यही चीज मैं यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करूंगा अभी मैं. I'm using a different ink for that. So ये ब्रैकेट में लिखा ना स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये ब्रैकेट में लिखो. Hello, it's ex into the entire term. Mathematically, please be sound in this case. तो ये पूरा ब्रैकेट आएगा, तो तुम करेक्ट जाओगे. ये देखो x differentiating ln x by dx plus ln x dx by dx. I'm getting it. Close the bracket. आगे तुम्हारा इसका आंसर minus. Now latter term. What is the latter term I'll consider will be? Minus x ln x. This is differentiating e raised to x. Oh, sorry,
For
this is it.
EX.
e raised to power x.
Differentiating e raised to x. Okay, let me put as this. Let me put as this first. Differentiating e raised to x by dx. Let me put it as upon e raised to x raised to the power of 2. Agreed, students? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move further.
Clear, everything is fine. Mine.
Okay. Even you have got this much correct?
Yeah, very much I got correct.
Okay. Now the answer is yes, students. Let us go further out. Now when you're solving further out, students, what exactly I'll take it as? This is e raised to x, students. This is e raised to x we consider in this case. Okay. So now if I happen to consider over here, I'll keep e raised to x as it is. Bracket x into. Students, what is differentiating ln x? What is differentiating ln x by dx?
1 upon x.
1 upon x. देखना स्टूडेंट्स, ये वाला टिक मार्क कर रहा हूं मैं. इसका फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ मैंने, इसलिए मैंने रखा हुआ पर. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 1 upon x. Agreed? Plus ln x. dx and dx will get cancelled. Agreed? Close the bracket. Is this clear to all of you all? Minus x into ln x. Students, what is differentiating e raised to x? Where is the formula? There is a formula. Look at the double tick. Differentiating e raised to x by dx. Differentiating e raised to x by dx. What's my answer is?
Yes.
So e raised to x, the whole upon e raised to x raised to the power of 2. Now, when you look at the numerator, students, do you have e raised to x, e raised to x as a common term in the numerator with a negative sign in between? तो तुम क्या करोगे? e raised to x को बाहर निकाल दो. ये टर्म और ये टर्म कॉमन है, उसको बाहर निकाल दो. तो ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? ये x और x तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. बचा क्या? 1 plus ln x minus x ln x, and this will be within the square bracket. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? The whole upon e raised to x the square.
Yes,
This
sir.
ध्यान से सुनो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने e raised to x को बाहर निकाल दिया तो ये x x कैंसिल होके 1 आया प्लस ln x आया माइनस x ln x हो गया. Now when you look over here students, this is e raised to x, this is e raised to x the whole square. Can I cancel this?
Yes, sir, you can cancel.
Okay, because this is raised to the power of 2 and this is raised to the power of 1, so I can cancel one of them. Now what is my answer? 1 plus ln x minus x ln x upon e raised to x. Is that your answer given? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Nishan got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understood my mistake.
Okay. So please try to go on to your instincts and go on to your basics. भले उसको टाइम लगता है, छोटे बच्चों की तरह करो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे नहीं है करके कि यू आर 11th स्टैंडर्ड सो ऐसा क्या आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुट दिस ब्रैकेट्स इन, बट दिस विल ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज योर एरर्स स्टूडेंट्स. व्हेन मिस्टेक्स, गलतियां कम हो जाएगी. गलतियां कम करोगे, आंसर सही लेके आओगे, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है. लेकिन अगर वहां पे सी वन थिंग, यहाँ पे तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला में क्या था, तुमने ये फॉर्मूला सही तरीके से लिखा है. अगर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ एवरीबॉडी हैज रिटन दिस पार्ट properly, that means you know the calculus part of it. Then comes further ahead into it कि अगर ये formulas तुम्हें याद नहीं होगा तो तुम आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकते. So that's why I tell you, remember these mathematical relations. Okay students, can I erase this now?
Yes.
Okay students, suppose if I give you y is equal to sine theta, agreed? Now if I ask you differentiate y with respect to t, so how do you do this? Students, I've given you y is
So we'll
dy upon d. d.
answer as cos theta and dy upon dt.
लेकिन
Sorry,
मुझे-
d. Yeah.
That be theta upon t.
yes.
d theta upon.
So students, ध्यान से सुनना. You try to go for dy by d theta. Students, differentiate y with respect to theta. लेकिन तुम क्या करो मालूम है? Using, इसको हम बोलते हैं using chain rule. Students, using chain rule in derivatives, because when you look into modules, वहां पे लिखा हुआ chain, और ये मैं बता चुका हूँ, लेकिन मैंने word use नहीं किया chain rule. अभी ध्यान से सुनना students. If y is equal to sin theta, differentiate y with respect to t पूछा गया है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? dy by d theta, what I'll do, multiply the same term, numerator से d theta upon dt. Yani students, I wanted an answer for dy by dt. Hello students, this was my question. Look, what is my question? Differentiate y with respect to t. तो मुझे dy by dt चाहिए था. तो dy by dt अगर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूंगा? Sir, multiply numerator by d theta denominator by d theta. This is what is called chain rule in derivatives. This is called chain rule in derivatives. जैसे मैंने ये लिखा, ध्यान से सुनना, ये टर्म को मैंने साथ में ले लिया और ये टर्म को मैंने पीछे ले लिया. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? Is this clear? Are you getting it? Is this clear? Now can I solve? Differentiating y. हाँ सर, differentiating sin theta. नीचे क्या आएगा? d theta. पीछे क्या बचा? d theta by dt, which I told you earlier. Even this angle is left, so d theta by dt as it is. Friends, what is differentiating sin theta? What is differentiating sin theta with respect to d theta? What's your answer? Plus
cos theta.
d theta by dt आया कि नहीं आया? ये वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा. And this is what I call as chain rule in derivatives. Students, chain rule in derivatives is when the function, answer sunna, y is a function we consider and your theta is a variable. It should depend with respect to theta. Hello students, y, the value of y, everybody listen carefully. The value of y will change with respect to the change in the value of theta, students. लेकिन मैंने क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछा कि y changing with respect to theta, मैंने पूछा differentiate y with respect to time. तो तुम क्या करोगे? अरे दिया है थीटा, सर ने पूछा है टाइम, अरे तो सर ये तो चेन रूल आ जाएगा. यानी what I need to get it? Sir, I need to get it dy by dt. तो अगर मुझे dy by dt चाहिए तो कैसे निकालूंगा? तो मैं लिखूंगा dy by dt into d theta by d theta. ये मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा. फिर इन दोनों को मैं साथ में लिखूंगा. That is dy by d theta into d theta by dt. फिर देखो, what is y given to me? Is this, can I say differentiating sin theta by d theta into d theta by dt? What's the answer for differentiating sin theta? Plus cos theta into d theta by dt. This is what we call as chain rule in derivatives. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Is this clear? Question given to us, y is equal to sin theta. Please, how to present such kind of solution? Question given to us, y is equal to sin theta. Differentiate y with respect to t. So dy by dt. First step will be this. dy by dt. Multiply numerator and denominator by d theta. इन दोनों को साथ में ले. Into d theta by dt. So now differentiate y. That is sin theta with respect to d theta. What is actually differentiating sin theta with respect to d theta? So what's your answer? Cos theta into d theta by dt. That is your final answer. Students, क्या ये clear हुआ? Chain rule in derivative, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो ये simply ध्यान में रखना, हमेशा हमेशा ध्यान में रखना. Suppose अगर मैंने दिया, everybody listen carefully. Students, अभी suppose मैंने दिया y is equal to, please pay attention, y is equal to x square plus 1. Everybody listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनना अभी. हेलो, अगर suppose मैंने पूछा students differentiate y with respect to x, तो वो तो easy हो गया. इसी को, यानी ये function और variable वही है मेरा. हेलो, variable वही है, तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. इसको मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है तो हाँ सर, मुझे डिफरेंशिएट dx स्क्वायर बाय dx आएगा. ये तो कांस्टेंट टर्म है. लेकिन अगर मैंने बाय चांस इसको पूछा डिफरेंशिएट विद t, तो क्या इसका सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा? ध्यान से सुना भी. लुक एट द स्टेप्स स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द स्टेप्स. सर y इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, आपने पूछा डिफरेंशिएट y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t, तो अगर इसके हिसाब से जाऊं तो मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप तो ये आएगा dy by dt. Yes, everybody please be with me. I getting it? Is equal to, मुझे ये चाहिए तो मैं dy by dt तो लिखूंगा, लेकिन सर मेरा फंक्शन तो x है दिया है, यहाँ पे फंक्शन मेरा थीटा में दिया था. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे थीटा में दिया था इसलिए मैंने d थीटा लिखा. यहाँ पे मेरा फंक्शन x के हिसाब से था, तो कहना है मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर बाय dx, डिनोमिनेटर बाय dx. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स सबको? इज दिस क्लियर? चेन
Yes.
रूल.
Yes, sir.
Now what I'll do? So differentiate y. यानी कैसे? इन दोनों को मैं साथ में लूंगा स्टूडेंट्स. तो देखो, ध्यान से देखना. Differentiate x square plus 1 upon dx into what? Dx by dt. Is this clear now? Differentiate x square आ गया ना तुम्हारा by dx. Now is it a simple question? Suppose students, if I ask you differentiate x square plus 1 by dx, तो क्या आंसर होगा? क्या आंसर होगा? So differentiating x square using y is equal to x raised to n. तो क्या आंसर होगा?
Yes, sir.
2x raised to n
2x.
minus. Agree?
Yes,
ये
sir.
कांस्टेंट टर्म है, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 2x आ जाएगा. लेकिन students, पीछे क्या रहेगा? dx by dt रहेगा. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, I want you to put down as chain rule of derivatives. Put down. This is one example. इसका solution तुम ये वाला लिख सकते हो. दूसरा example ये लिखो और इसका solution ये.
Just 1 second. Sir.
I'll just remove the unwanted part. Chain rule in derivatives. This is your first example, and this is your second example. Done, students?
Just 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Anything, if you are not able to follow, you can ask. Once again, Shubham, answer सुनना. Who has put forward? Shubham, देखो ना, यहाँ पे देखो. Please try to again mark it very properly, students. Question देंगे how? अगर suppose तुम्हें दिया शुभम, जहाँ पे दिए इसको ऑब्जर्व करो. Y is equal to sin theta दिया. तो तुम्हें फंक्शन और वेरिएबल को पहले forget about question. शुभम, forget about the question. तुम्हें एक्सप्रेशन दिया y is equal to sin theta. तो मुझे ये बताओ शुभम, y की वैल्यू चेंज होगी, उसका चेंज किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होगा? तुम बोलोगे सर अगर थीटा का वैल्यू चेंज करोगे तो देखो ध्यान से देखो, थीटा का वैल्यू तो साइन थीटा का वैल्यू तो y का वैल्यू, थीटा को मैं 0 लूंगा तो साइन ऑफ 0 तो y का वैल्यू 0 आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है शुभम? अगर मैं साइन 30 डिग्री लूंगा तो साइन ऑफ 30 डिग्री तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? हाफ होगी, है ना? अगर मैं 45 लेता हूँ थीटा को तो साइन ऑफ 45 आएगा यहाँ पे, तो साइन ऑफ 45 तो y की वैल्यू 1/√2 होगी. यानी स्टूडेंट्स y की वैल्यू किसके ऊपर डिपेंड हो रही है? थीटा के ऊपर हो रही है ना. शुभम समझ में आ रहा है? तो मुझे जब ये डिफरेंशिएट करना होगा तो मेरा एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन होना क्या चाहिए? डिफरेंशिएट y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा. अगर मैंने दिया y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा स्टूडेंट्स, तो मेरा dy by d थीटा आएगा. हेलो, तो उसमें क्या होगा? डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin थीटा by d थीटा, तो व्हाट्स आंसर? cos थीटा. बस खत्म हो गया, पीछे कुछ नहीं है. cos थीटा, दिस इज आंसर. लेकिन अभी मैंने क्या किया है? मैंने वेरिएबल को चेंज कर दिया है. यानी ये जो थीटा है ना, that also is dependent on time. Students, that theta is also dependent on time. Now try to differentiate it. In such cases, you have to go for chain rule. Now, since you said it, that y is equal to sin theta, से किससे numerator denominator से जिससे तुम्हें differentiate पूछा, उसको तुम ये लिखो ना, तुम dy by d theta लिखो. लेकिन तुम्हें differentiate with respect to time चाहिए ना, तो multiply numerator by dt, denominator by dt. आ गया तुम्हारा dy by dt. ये तुम्हारा सब्जेक्ट था, ये तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन था, ये तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन था, है ना? तो dy by d theta I can consider in this case into what? d theta by dt. तुम्हारा question आ गया. Is this clear, students? Are you getting it? So I can consider simply in that case, I've got this part of it and getting the answer accordingly. Shubham, is it clear to all? Shubham, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So when you write on dy by dt, multiply d theta by d theta straight away. When you write on dy by dt, we consider in terms of multiply dx by dx. With respect to time होगा वो पहले देखो और the latter term has to be multiplied. क्या मैं erase कर सकता हूँ ये पूरा ना? Students, can I erase this entirely?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Now I'm giving you slightly a trickier question, okay? And this is differentiating with respect to the same function, okay? Expression में जो दिया उसी के साथ में differentiate करना है, लेकिन try to go on to your instinct and think how do you cope out with this. Listen carefully, students. Question given to you, students. Please, everybody, listen to me carefully and try to crack it, okay? Y, if I give you a question is y is equal to, students, ln sine square x. Y is equal to ln sine square x. ये बहुत ही tricky question है. I getting it? लेकिन थोड़ा शांति से formulas revise करके अगर तुम देखोगे तो you'll be able to crack it, students. Okay? Y is equal to ln sine square x. My question is, students, differentiate y with respect to x. Chalo. What you can do with this question? Try to crack.
So what we can do is we can put sine square x as one term. So d ln sine square x divided by d sine square x into sine square x upon dx.
Very good, very good. Students, देखो इसके अंदर तुम्हारा ln sin square है ना, तो dy by dx will be equal to differentiating ln sin square x by dx. तो जब भी तुम इसको differentiate करोगे तो dy by dx क्या होगा? What exactly dy by dx I can consider in this case? Students, differentiating ln sin square x. Students, can you tell me if y is equal to ln x? Differentiate dy by dx. क्या आंसर आया था? What's the formula? Students?
We have to use u dv upon
No.
dx.
This is y is equal to ln x. Y is equal to ln x. Students.
Or like that.
So
like that.
dy upon
ln
dx
x
is
equal to
1 upon x.
1 upon x. Agreed? Agreed. Students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो अगर y is equal to ln x, dy by dx will be 1 by x. ln sine square x. So can I run this as 1 upon sine square x?
Yes, sir.
And then the differentiating latter part of it. Differentiating क्या है? Sine square x by dx. Can you get the answer for sine square x by dx?
X square x. X square x. And six. Yeah.
Sine square x. Can I run 2 sine x into differentiating sine x by dx? अब देखो स्टूडेंट्स वापस देखो ध्यान से देखना ये क्या होगा मालूम तुम्हारा ये तुम्हारा होगा y is equal to x square. Students, if I give y is equal to x square, everybody be with me. Y is equal to x square. Students, what do you write down? What do you write down over here? dy by dx is 3 तो तुम लोग 2 x raised to 2 minus 1. ध्यान से सुनना. Can I say you write down dx by dx at the latter end? जिसको हम कैंसिल करके 1 लिखते हैं. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? What is the formula? What is the formula? Y is equal to x raised to n. dy by dx क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? n times x raised to n minus 1. The latter part dx by dx होता है स्टूडेंट्स. लिख लो कैंसिल हो जाता है. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? ये क्लियर है? Exactly ये एक्सप्रेशन को look at this. X square sin square x 2x 2 sin x 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 which is 1 into differentiating what? X differentiating what? Sin x by dx. Is this clear with all of your? Is this clear with all of your students? Getting it? So what did I use? So पहले तो आपने ln x का फॉर्मूला यूज किया, फिर डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin square x by dx ले लिया, तो इसको आपने लिखा 2 sin x raised to 1 डिफरेंशिएट sin x यानी यू मीन टू से सर ये होगा 1 upon sin square x into 2 sin x और ये होगा डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x will be equal to cos x. ये देखो ये sin x और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो कहने से this is 2 cos x upon sin x. Friends, what is cos x upon sin x?
Cot X.
That's all.
Oh yeah,
This is
got it.
very very important mathematical relation to keep in mind. यानी जब भी ऐसे टाइम के कुछ टर्म्स आते हैं तो how to go about with it, that is what I've tried to put forward. I repeat.
Sir, can you
Yes.
please explain the sum again, sir? I didn't understand the something. Explain it again. This sum over here.
Which sum? This one.
Y is equal to ln x. Y is equal to ln sin square x.
That is the formula, my dear. ln x is 1 upon x.
Sir, sin square x I'm asking. Y is equal to ln sin square x. That's sum I'm asking. Latest sum you did right now.
So the entire problem.
Yes, sir. I didn't understand. I didn't understand the problem, sir.
If I ask you differentiate y is equal to ln x square, क्या करोगे तुम?
Sir, we know the y is equal to ln x is equal to 1 upon x over here. So we'll say 1 upon x into x.
So dy by dx will be equal to differentiating ln x square by dx, students. What is
Yes.
differentiating ln x square क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by x square तो आएगा.
हाँ, 1 upon x square आएगा.
Differentiating dx square by dx तो होगा.
हाँ sir.
तो 1 by x square होगा. What is the differentiating x square का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा?
2x.
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 पीछे क्या होगा? वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
Right.
तो आंसर क्या आया? 2 by x.
Right, sir.
वैसे ये किया. x square भी दिया था, एक sin square x लिया. है ना?
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
So
ये किया था, sin square
the
x.
chain
Yeah.
the chain rule is only for logs and
Yeah,
sines.
this is what chain rule is applied over here. I've applied the chain rule itself fully. You can multiply numerator by the same terms in that case. You can use chain rule in derivatives over here also in that case and get the answer accordingly. Is it clear, students? Students, can you hear the flute?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful one. Okay. Can I erase the students? Can I erase this, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Now let us go for certain word problems, students. Okay, certain word problems, students, related to this. We'll go for the two solved example, students, which are given in the book itself only, and then we'll go for exactly identical unsolved questions onto that. Okay, please have a look, everybody, on page number 3030. Okay, we'll go for two solved examples. Okay, and then we'll go for unsolved. Let me explain you this part of it. Okay, students, have a look into it. The rate of change of radius of a sphere. Suppose if I give you a sphere and the radius is r, students. Okay, so now they've given to you the rate of change of radius of sphere with respect to time. Students, rate of change of radius with respect to time. यानी क्या दिया है? dr by dt. The rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time क्या दिया है? Is 4 centimeter second inverse. See, the unit will give you the relation centimeter per second and distance upon time, dr by dt. Yani students, the radius is changing with respect to time. It can either decrease or it can increase. Change in the radius with respect to time. यानी for example, तुम balloon लो या तुम football लो, football के अंदर हवा भरो तो will inflate. हवा निकालोगे तो deflate हो जाएगा. So there is change in volume and that is change in radius with respect to time. पूछा गया है, find the rate of change of volume. Again, read the question very carefully. The rate of change of volume. Rate of change of volume with respect to time we consider. Okay, find the rate of change of volume. When the radius, ये पूछा गया है, when the radius is given to us how much? 50 centimeter. क्या ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर हुआ सबसे पहले? स्टूडेंट समझ में आ रहा है? गिवन टू यूज अ स्फेरिकल ऑब्जेक्ट, वो स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम बढ़ भी सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है. दैट मींस देयर इज वेरिएशन इन द रेडियस एंड द रेडियस चेंजेस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम वी कंसीडर. अगर रेडियस चेंज होगा तो वॉल्यूम चेंज होगा. उन्होंने बोला है द रेडियस इज चेंजिंग एट 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड, फाइंड आउट द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वॉल्यूम. Radius at radius equal to 50 centimeter. Now, how do you go about with such kind of expressions? First of all, when such kind of questions are given to you, look at the geometrical shape, students. Since the geometrical shape, students, is a sphere and your question is related to volume, then the student should know what is the volume of the sphere, students. Then your answer will be 4/3 pi r cube. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Students, is it clear?
Yes,
V is
sir.
equal to 4/3 pi r cube. I need to go for what, sir? I need to go for differentiating volume with respect to time. चाहिए मुझे dy by dt चाहिए. तो क्या करूँगा? Differentiate V with respect to t. जैसे तुमने ध्यान से सुना, जैसे तुमने t देखा, तुरंत तुम्हारा दिमाग चलना चाहिए. अरे ध्यान से सुनना. Change in volume. Everybody, please listen carefully. Change in volume. So change in volume should depend on the change in radius. Hello, change in volume should depend on the change in radius. यानी this is my function, this is my variable. लेकिन मेरा वेरिएबल तो यहाँ पे चेंज हो गया भाई. यानी radius is also changing with respect to time. अरे या तो चेन रूल आएगा, यानी at the end में मुझे dr by dt मिलेगा. At the end में मुझे dr by dt मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Now how do you go about this? Differentiate volume with respect to time. So can I say dv by dt? So differentiating 4/3 pi r cube by dt. क्या ये step clear हुआ everybody?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, dv by dt. Students, when somebody is telling to find a dv by dt, can you tell me what is the unit of this? What will be the unit? Sir, volume upon time. Since radius is given in centimeter, तो volume किसमें होगा? Centimeter cube, है ना? Upon time. Second, यानी ये आंसर मेरा centimeter cube per second में होना चाहिए. dv by dt. Students, when I'm differentiating 4 by 3 pi r square, is 4 by 3 pi a constant?
Yes, sir.
तो वो डिफरेंशिएट होगा नहीं, वो तो बाहर आ जाएगा 4/3 पाई. बचा क्या? डिफरेंशिएटिंग r cube by dt. Agreed? Agreed? Everybody hold for a moment. Everybody hold over here for the moment. Let me give you one more question. If I give you y is equal to x square, students, everybody, अभी इसको मैं दो पार्ट में करता हूँ. पहला पार्ट, differentiate y with respect to x. इसी को हम सॉल्व करेंगे, differentiate y with respect to t. चलो ये क्वेश्चन को y is equal to x square, differentiate with respect to x, तो क्या करोगे? dy by dx, यानी differentiating x square by dx. Students, what is the answer? What is the answer? Differentiating x square
2x.
2x, है ना? वही चीज अभी देखो डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम करूंगा मैं. तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली? dy by dt, differentiating x square by dt. What is my answer? What is my answer? 2x into dx by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? अब भी मैंने प्रॉब्लम बताया था इसके पहले. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? Differentiating x square will be 2x. बचा क्या? x. So dx by dt. Exactly same term. वैसे ही आ रहा है देखो, r cube by dt. So now if I solve it, what exactly I'm going to get it over here? Therefore, dv by dt, students, will be equal to 4/3 pi. Differentiating r cube by dt यानी क्या होगा students? Can you give me the answer?
3r square
3r square.
Into?
dr upon dt.
Very good. Very good. And ये तुम 3r square बाहर निकाल सकते हो. 3r square into dr by dt. Do we have any cancellation, students? कुछ cancellation दिखाई दे रहा है? हाँ sir, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. तो क्या मिला मुझे? What exactly my relation is? Sir, 4 pi r square dr by dt. Students, what was the question asked? Find out the rate of change of volume of the sphere if the radius is changing with respect to time is given to you and the radius r is given to you. Students, did you have all the terms over here? Are you getting
Yes,
all
sir.
the terms over here? So now if I happen to substitute what exactly I'm getting the answer, so this will
You
be
get
4
4
pi
into 22/7.
into r square, which means 50 square, so 2500. Agreed? Into dr by dt. Students, what is dr by dt? 4. मेरा आंसर किसमें लेके आ रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स? I'm getting my answer in centimeter cube per second. Doesn't matter. Volume upon time. If I try to solve this, 25 4s are 100. Agreed? So what's my answer? 4 pi into 10 is to what? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Centimeter cube second inverse. That's my answer. Pi को तुम 3.14 लो, multiply कर दो, that becomes your answer. क्या clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please try to understand. We have tried to go for a question where we are trying to change the volume of a sphere, and the change in volume is with respect to change in radius, but the radius is changing with respect to time. जैसे जैसे मैं बलून को इन्फ्लेट कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ टाइम है ना. सपोज तुम फुटबॉल खेलने गए, a group of guys are going for a football, पता चला कि है तो स्फीयर लेकिन हवा थोड़ी कम है, तो हवा वाले से गया तो मैंने हवा भरो, तो हवा भरने के टाइम पे उसने टाइम रिकॉर्ड किया, शुरू किया इस टाइम पे खत्म हो गया, तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम हुआ ना. So as time went on increasing, what happened to the radius? Radius also went on increasing. If radius increases, volume also went on increasing. So what did I actually try to find out? I can find out change in volume with respect to change in radius. ये मेरा function हुआ, ये मेरा variable हुआ, लेकिन radius change हो रहा था with respect to time. तो मेरे को डी बाई डी टी निकालना था, डी बाई डी टी करना यानी पूरा एक्सप्रेशन को डी टी से लेना है, तो लास्ट टर्म डी आर क्यू बाई डी टी आया, तो 3r स्क्वायर आया इंटू डी आर बाई डी टी, एग्जैक्टली दिस वे. Yani a function and a variable, and the variable can be changed. If it's variable x over here, I change it to t. Hope this part is clear to all the students inside the store. All of you all, those who are in the lecture students.
Yes, sir. So, sir, the answer is 4 pi to 10 raised to 4 centimeter cube per second.
Very good, intelligent boy.
Sir, not sir, I was asking the answer, sir. I was just confirming the answer.
Correct, absolutely correct. Yes, Yash, Vansh, is it clear? Smith, you are not answering today, Smith.
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Riya, what about you, Riya?
So today I'm
Getting
not
it?
feeling well, so that's why.
Yes, sir.
You're not feeling well. Okay. Ritesh, getting it? Prayag?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kriti, what about you? Purvi, Parth, Nishant is getting it. Mariam, what about you? Mariam, are you there? Ashmita?
Yes, understood.
Can I erase the students? Erase करो students?
Yes, sir.
अरे हाँ या ना तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You should actually know one musical instrument. Students. Okay. एक musical instrument बजाने को सीखना जरूरी है. I don't know any of it, but this will really make you to relax. Probably like relaxation, or when you want to be distress yourself. Okay. I know that depends on an individual, but at least you should learn one musical instrument. Flute is one of them, just better one. Okay. स्टूडेंट्स अभी और क्वेश्चन करते हैं, ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स. ये भी एक और एग्जांपल है, इसका मैं आंसर दे रहा हूं मैं, और वो मुझे सही चाहिए. आई वांट गेट इट करेक्ट, यानी जो भी डाउट्स होगा पूछ लो. जैसे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर, ट्राई टू आस्क मी, फिगर इट आउट इन दैट केस. लेकिन व्हेन आई गिव यू और थ्रो सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस, ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर प्रॉपर्ली. ओके. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके. Given to you, the radius of a cone is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Students, so how do you put down this in mathematical statement? ये कौन दिया है?
So will you repeat, sir?
ये कौन दिया है मैंने? Okay. So consider. This is the base of the cone. This is the height of the cone we consider. तो ये क्या है? Radius. उन्होंने बोला the radius of the cone. The radius of the cone, student, is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. यानी तुम्हें dr.
So dr by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second.
Very good. See, Shom is so intelligent. Upon second भी any time आना जरूरी है. और सेंटीमीटर का मतलब डिस्टेंस हुआ, तो ये भी तो डिस्टेंस ही है ना स्टूडेंट्स. If
Yes.
the apex angle does not change, apex angle के अंदर उन्होंने स्टूडेंट्स ये एंगल को थीटा दिया है, यानी कि थीटा चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, थीटा चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. If the apex angle यानी थीटा remains constant. Students, very carefully think onto it. जैसे उन्होंने लिखा apex angle does not remains constant, theta does remains constant. So students, differentiating any trigonometrical term with theta, is it possible?
Yes, sir. It's very much possible.
How come theta is constant? So how can you differentiate a constant term?
Oh, wait. So it's constant, you can differentiate.
Theta is constant. So
Yeah.
if I happen to go theta का मतलब क्या? I can just I have to go for a trigonometric term sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta. लेकिन अगर theta constant है, students, अगर theta 30 degrees लेने वाला है, तो sin of 30 तो constant ही होगा ना?
हाँ, sir.
It will not change. So can constant terms be differentiated, students?
No, sir, they can't be differentiated.
तो ये समझना है, जब ये एमसीक्यू में या क्वेश्चन में आता है तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा की होता है, यार थीटा को कांस्टेंट रखा हुआ है उन्होंने, एग्रीड, अपेक्स एंगल डज नॉट चेंज। पूछा क्या गया है, फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज इन हाइट। अरे फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज इन हाइट, यानी dh by dt पूछा है, ये हाइट है, फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज इन हाइट स्टूडेंट्स। इफ व्हेन ये पूछा गया है, यानी इसका आंसर भी किसमें होगा, हाइट अपॉन टाइम वी कंसीडर, सर ये भी होगा सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड। ओके, when what exactly r is given to you, when r is given to you as 5 centimeter and height is given to you as how much, 8 centimeter. Is this clear to all of you? Mariam, you're not answering to me, but you're speaking to your mom. Mariam, when I asked you, have you understood? You don't answer. Mariam, are you there? You can unmute your mic. Okay, students, listen carefully. Your dr by dt is given as 2 centimeter per second. Theta remains constant. dh by dt is to be found out when r is equal to 5 and h. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, students? Your apex angle does not change. यानी r change होगा, h change होगा, students. If r is changing, h also will change, but theta remains constant in this case. And if in case if I happen to go for this part, I can go for this part. Dekho, please everybody have a look at the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Can I say these two are parallel lines?
Yes, sir, it can be said.
Is my apex angle changing?
It's not changing.
समझ में आ रहा है, ये मतलब हुआ। तो ये यहाँ पे हो रहा, तो वैसे यहाँ पे भी होगा। I getting it? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
यानी प्रॉब्लम क्या बोलना चाह रहा है कि थीटा रिमेनिंग कांस्टेंट, change in the radius will slightly bring a change in the height also with respect to time, but your theta remains constant. जैसे तुम्हें एक्सप्रेशन दिया तो तुरंत तुम्हारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या आना चाहिए, तो किसी भी हाल में मुझे h और r का रिलेशन चाहिए, h और r का रिलेशन चाहिए। कैसे मिलेगा रिलेशन? How do you go about the relation in that?
Sir, dv by dt.
Of
If we
course,
find dv by dt, we can find dh by dr.
क्या बात है, such an intelligent boy. Students, you have to simply go for right angle triangle and go for tan theta. What is tan theta, students? Opposite upon adjacent. आ गया? Students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Tan theta is equal to what? R by h. So what exactly r is equal to? What is r is equal to? H into tan theta. क्या ये clear हुआ students? ये clear हुआ सबको?
So we can substitute the value of tan theta as 5 upon 8, right?
Pardon?
You can take tan theta's value as 5 upon 8 because it's a ratio, so it'll be the same value in the end.
Of course, that's what you can get
Right.
in that case. Tan theta you can get in them, but now first we'll differentiate, no? And tan theta will remain constant. Tan theta will remain constant because we need to differentiate this expression, because I have dr by dt, I need to find out dh by dt. So now go, students, differentiate with respect to t, with respect to time. Answer the students. Can I say dr by dt will be equal to differentiating h tan theta by dt. Is this clear? Differentiating dr by dt, dh by dt we consider. So dr by dt as it is. Tan theta, is tan theta can be differentiated? Is it constant or it can be changed? So theta is constant. Trigonometrical term with theta remains constant. So it cannot be differentiated. Tan theta बाहर आएगा. बचा क्या? dh by dt. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Is this much clear to all of you? Students getting it?
Yes.
Okay. पूछा क्या है मुझे? dh by dt पूछा है. ये पूछा हुआ. Do I know tan theta? What is tan theta? So dr by dt is equal to tan theta. Now what is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent. R by h into dh by dt. dr by dt कितना दिया है? 2 सेंटीमीटर दिया है स्टूडेंट्स. r कितना दिया है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. h कितना दिया है? 8 सेंटीमीटर into dh by dt. Then I get my answer for dh by dt. Cross multiplication, sir, 8 2s are 16 by 5. What's my answer? That many centimeter second inverse. Is this clear to all of you? Students getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one thing students do keep in mind, they have told you that is the apex angle does not change, but the radius is changing with respect to time. There'll be change in the height with respect to time. To get these things instantly, how to think, the thought process goes with try to get a relation of R and H. So we get a trigonometrical tan theta. Since theta does not change, so you cannot differentiate this. इसको तुम constant निकाल दो. जैसे tan theta है, तुम्हें जानबूझ के R और H देंगे यहाँ पे देखो दिया हुआ है इनकी values. तो स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हारा जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम देते हैं ना तो पूरा सोल्यूशन उस प्रॉब्लम के अंदर ही है. तुम्हें सारी वैल्यूज वहीं से मिलेगी. You don't have to think anywhere else. And when you go in a correct track, you can get your answer accordingly, substituting R by H 16 by 5 centimeter second. Can I erase this, students?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Yes, students done. Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Everybody now have a look on page number 42, students. Page number 42. Page number 42, exercise 3. Unsolved question number 1 and 2. Try to solve 1 and 2 right now. Unsolved question 1 and 2 right now. Page number 42, exercise 3, question number 1 and 2 right now. And please get it correct in the first attempt. First complete it and then cross check your answer behind. Okay. And those who complete both the questions, raise your hand. One who finishes first. Students solve 1, 2, and 3. First 3 questions. Even third one also you'll be able to solve it. Students, I repeat, page number 42, exercise 3, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. All 3. Come on, I need to get it correct, please. Ashmita, try to get it correct. Jason, try to get it correct. Nishant, all 3 correct. Parth, Purvi are not replying at all now. Pratham, Prag, Ritesh, Riya, Shlok, Shubham, Soham.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yes,
Solving? You're solving?
yes, sir. I'm solving right now only.
Goodbye. तीनों दिन करेक्ट
Sir, exercise 3, right?
शायद.
What?
Somewhat I told you now, my dear.
Exercise 3, right? I think I already solved. I think I already solved earlier, sir.
You solved?
Yes, sir. Already I solved because I was studying for the preparing for the test, right? So I already solved.
Oh my God, you're so intelligent, smart. Very good.
Exercise. Wait. I haven't done exercise 3. I've done 1 and 2. I haven't done 3.
Okay, very good, very good.
I had a doubt, sir. Sir, can I ask you a doubt which I had?
Which it is
Exercise 1, section 325.
section 325.
Yeah.
Legal
Exercise 1, section 325.
325 section.
Section 3. Exercise 1, section 3. Differentiate y is equal to ln square x.
हाँ तो
That is the
हम
question,
करेंगे
sir.
ना वो करेंगे ना. The answer is 2 ln x upon x.
Okay.
Don't worry, वो होगा. It's easy. डायरेक्ट आंसर है. 2 आएगा, ln x कॉमन आएगा and differentiating ln x. चेन रूल ही आया तेरा. क्या कर रहा है तू यार?
No, sir. Earlier, I had done it earlier. No, I had done it yesterday. So that's why I didn't know the
आज
change properly.
ऐसा मत कर तू शुभम प्लीज यार. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन अभी देख. अभी मैंने सिखाया तो आना चाहिए तेरे को.
हाँ सर, आ रहा है. And sir, एक और क्वेश्चन था मुझे सर. 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube differentiate करना है. We use uv ना? We use uv over here, right?
uv ने u upon v.
Yeah, u upon v. That's what I was saying.
Very good, very good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So very good सब कुछ है my dear. So very good. So
And sir, in exercise 2 I had 4, 5, 6 doubt.
हाँ तो
In
क्या
exercise
तो
number 2.
पूरा डाउट्स ही पूछ रहा है. तो पूरा डाउट्स क्लियर कर दे रहा है तू. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
In exercise 2 I had 2, 4, 5, 6 as doubts.
Very.
Can you solve them, sir, please?
Huh?
Can you solve 2, 4, 5, 6 in exercise 2?
We are solving this. We are solving this first.
Okay, I'll solve this first. Then can you? Then I'll. Yes, yeah.
इजी है तेरा. 2, 5, 6 भी इजी है my dear. क्या कर रहा है तू? Differentiate sin into ln x.
Sir, exercise 2, not 1, 2.
2 ही में बोल रहा हूँ my dear. 2 ही में बोल रहा हूँ. ऐसे क्या कर रहा है तू my dear?
Sir, I told him yesterday, right? So that's what I was asking because I didn't know chain rule fully.
Differentiating sin theta को करेगा तो वो कैसे होगा? वैसे तुम्हें करना है. Cos
Okay.
theta. And then differentiate ln x is 1 upon x. तो एकदम इजी से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है my dear.
Okay, sir.
And we'll solve it. Don't worry.
Understood, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Very, very much. Most welcome. Yes, anybody has completed with me? Can raise your hands. Yes, anyone?
2 minutes, sir. I'm solving it right now only.
But you had solved it now, my dear. 2 minutes में solve कर दिया
So I'm
है.
solving it right now only. That's why I'm asking 2 minutes.
Oh my God. Yes, anybody? Ashmita, are you getting it? Ashmita completed?
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Sir, first one done.
I want all three, all three. Nishant,
1, 2, and 3.
yes.
Okay.
All,
Sir, the second one, what do we mean by an edge of a variable cube?
second one, edge of a variable cube. Of course, if I go on changing a cube size, that means the volume of the cube is changing. How do you change the volume of the cube? By changing the side of the cube. That's the edge of the cube. See, students, what exactly edge we consider as a side? For every solid geometrical shape for a cube, you have faces, you have vertices, and you have edges. F plus V is equal to E plus 2, Taylor's formula. तो edges का मतलब side. तो अगर क्यूब वेरिएबल है, क्यूब छोटा है, क्यूब बड़ा है, तो छोटा और बड़ा किसके हिसाब से डिपेंड होता है? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द एज. अगर एज छोटा हुआ तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब छोटा हो जाएगा, एज बढ़ेगा तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब बढ़ेगा. और निशांत,
Okay, got it.
the edge is changing. Okay, shall we discuss? Shall we discuss, students?
Just 2 minutes, sir. I'm just solving the last sum. Just 2 minutes.
Okay, students, let's discuss now. Okay. Let us go for the first question, students. Now, those who have done it, please cross-check your solutions also, okay? First question. Since a circular disc of radius 3 centimeters has been heated. Now, suppose if I give you a circular disc, that means a simple kind of a 5 rupee coin. Okay, it's a 5 rupee coin I'm giving to you. And the radius of the 5 rupee coin is given to you as 3 centimeters. On heating, what happens, students? On heating, there will be some expansion taking place. You must have learned in lower standards, linear expansion, superficial expansion, cubical expansion. Okay, so it's heated. Due to expansion, its radius increases. The radius is increasing at the rate of, yani dr by dt is increasing at the rate of 0.05 centimeter per second. So 0.05 centimeter per second. If the radius is increasing, means can I say I can consider its surface area is also increasing? What is the question asked? Find the rate at which area is increasing. So पूछा है rate at which area यानी dA by dt पूछा है students. तो इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? Area. Area is one dimensional or two dimensional? This is a area is two dimensional and centimeter square per second होगा. So find out the rate of change of increase in area if the radius is given to you as 3.2 centimeter. Hope this part is clear with the students.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you go for the question, what exactly it is? Simply solving it, we can get your answer accordingly. What's
Yeah.
the surface area, students? What's the surface area we'll be going for it?
Sir, so area of circle is pi r square.
Absolutely correct. So when you go for the surface area, we consider as pi r square, students. So in this case, if I happen to
So
consider pardon?
dA
Yeah,
by
bro.
dt pi into r square upon dt.
First, what is the area? What is the area we consider?
Wait, what?
Pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now, if in case if I happen to go for differentiating area with respect to time, so dA by dt क्या हो जाएगा?
So dA by dt will be pi into
Differentiating pi r square by dt.
yes,
Agreed.
sir.
That's be equal to, is pi a constant?
It's a constant.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Differentiating r square by dt. So that is equal to pi. So it's differentiating r square by dt. What exactly it will be?
It will be 2r
2r
Into
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 dr upon
dr by dt.
dt upon dt.
2r into dr by dt. Which rule we have used over here?
Chain rule.
Chain rule. Now when I consider over here pi 2r by dt, so what
That
exactly?
will be
Pi
pi
is
into 6.4.
very good. Radius is how much? Now will you take 3.2 or 3?
3.2.
Yes, क्यों? क्योंकि ये चेंज हो रहा है ना स्टूडेंट्स. हीट करने के बाद में चेंज हो, तो ये वाली वैल्यू लेनी है तुम्हें, ना कि ये ध्यान में रखना स्टूडेंट्स. So this is 3.2 into what is the rate of change of radius given to you? 0.0.
0.05.
So what's your answer?
0.32 pi.
0.32 pi. Is it cockroaches, buffaloes? What's the unit?
0.32 pi centimeter square per second.
Very good. That is your dA by dt. How many students have got this answer correct? Raise your hands.
No,
How
I
many
don't
students got this answer
believe that.
correct? What happened?
No, I can't find the option to raise hand. I just found it now.
Okay, fine. So, very good. Panchal, Soham, Nishant, Parth, Mayank, Ashmita. Very good. Vansh. Very good. 7 students have got it. But most students should have got this particular answer correct. Okay, fine. Put your hands down. Now
Okay,
let us
sir.
go for the next one. Let us go for the next one, students. Second one, okay?
Yes, sir.
The students, the second
Okay.
question. Okay? Let me read the question, my dear. You are in a rush.
Okay.
An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Students, अगर मैं cube देता हूँ, ये cube है. Cube का मतलब क्या हुआ, students? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Suppose let us say the edge of the cube be L. अगर suppose ये cube का मैं side अगर बढ़ाता हूँ, तो volume भी बढ़ेगा. अगर मैं कम करता हूँ, तो volume भी कम होगा. So the edge changes accordingly. यानी students क्या दिया है? An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Students, let us say the edge is L. अगर मैं edge को L लेता हूँ, तो this edge is changing with respect to time. And how much is that given to you? 3 centimeter second inverse. Please understand the question. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing? पूछा गया है how fast the volume यानी dv by dt पूछा गया है. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? वो बढ़ के 10 centimeter हुआ. L is equal to 10 centimeter. Students, ये है volume per unit time. Can you give me the unit of this?
Yes, sir. It's sir, what? A centimeter cube per second.
Second inverse. Absolutely. ये इसका unit होगा. Now, if I happen to go for it, what exactly will be? बोलो.
Sir, can I say?
हाँ बोलो.
So dv by dt, we have to find volume of the
Directly
cube over
don't go
here.
dv by dt and all these things. First, give me the formula. Think as if you are.
AQ.
Think as if I don't know. I don't know how
HQ.
to solve. So I'm think as if
HQ.
I'm a nut. मैं भाजी वाला हूँ. So I'm a भाजी वाला भाजी भांडी.
अरे
Okay. वैसे सोच के मेरे को सिखाना. Okay. So
हाँ.
तू डायरेक्टली dv
Okay.
by dt बोलेगा तो मैं तो बाल खींचना शुरू कर दूंगा. है ना? वैसे
Okay.
सारे जैसे बाल खींचना
So,
वैसे पटकना शुरू करेंगे.
volume by time over here, we will
Okay.
we first have to do multiply the formula of volume by the edge upon time over here. It is
Very
L
good.
cube. Yes.
Students, volume of the cube is side cube. सबको पता है volume of the cube is equal to side cube L cube, है ना?
Yes.
ये
sir.
cube है, all sides are equal. अभी तुम्हें क्या चाहिए dv by dt तो क्या करोगे? Differentiate both sides with respect to time. Agreed?
Yes. Yes,
तो क्या
sir.
करोगे?
agree.
dv by dt
Is L cube.
L cube
Differentiate
by.
of L cube.
Okay,
dx
now
or dt.
now
Then, sir, we will do. It will be 2L square.
okay dv by dt
is be 2L square
2l
into
square or 3l square. Naughty boy. What
what?
is the formula for x raised to n? N
Yeah,
times
sorry, 3x square.
raised to n
3L
minus
square.
1
3L square.
into dl by
dl
dt.
by dt. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be
So that
3
will be substitute
square.
value of edge over here. So 3 into 100 into 3.
Very good. 3 into what is the length is given to you as 10 centimeter. So can I say this is 10 square? How much is dl by dt given to you? 3 centimeter. So now what's my answer?
That is 300. Yeah, it's
Centimeter
900.
cube second inverse. 3 3s are 9, 900. That's your rate of change of volume. How many students have got this correct? Raise your hands. How many students have got this part correct? 4 students. Mayank has also got it. Very good, Mayank. लेकिन तुम लोग आंसर नहीं करते. ऋषि आंसर देना चाहिए. Just 5 students. What about you, Ashmita, Purvi, Riya?
So I did first and third, but the second term I was not getting this one.
Okay. Bar. Okay, fine. Let us go for the third one now. Please, let us go for the last one, third one. Okay. Put your hands down, students. Third one, students. A balloon is increasing. A balloon which was remaining spherical on inflation. On inflation, all the time it remains spherical, students. Okay. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping. Okay. So a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So students, what is 900 cubic centimeter per second is? What is this given to you?
dv
So
by dt.
dv upon
dv
dt.
upon dt.
Very good. This is what you have to keep in mind. ये rate of change of volume दिया है students. और किसका दिया? Balloon का दिया. Balloon है क्या? It's a sphere.
Yes, they've given.
Inflate करोगे तो उसका volume बढ़ेगा. So students, they've given to you inflate is by pumping this. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. Yani you have to find out dr by dt. Find the rate at which the balloon, the radius of the balloon increases. When the radius is given to you as how much? 15.
15 centimeters. Sir, can I answer?
You will only answer all questions. You're so smart. You're so intelligent. Anybody else?
So can I
Okay,
answer?
so can I answer?
Answer. Who was there? Ashmita, you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on. Bolo.
So what I did is last sum first we did something similar sum like this, the
Okay.
dv upon dt sum. So
Okay,
there
but-
we got dv upon dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr upon dt. So I used that.
Okay. But will you go for volume or will you go for surface area?
So we'll go for volume.
Yes. So what's the volume of the sphere?
4 upon 3 pi r cube.
Very good. Now go for dv by dt. So
Yes,
differentiating
sir.
4 by 3 pi r cube
Upon
by
dt.
dt. Therefore,
So 4 upon 3 pi is constant,
very good. 4 upon 3 pi is constant.
and
r cube by dt
d
क्या होगा?
r cube upon dt is 3 r square dr upon dt.
Very good. And this is chain rule.
Yes,
This is
sir.
dv by dt. Now, do you have the values given to you? How much is dv by dt given to you?
900.
900. That is
So
equal
3
to
and
4.
3 will get cancelled.
Very good. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this 3 will not be there. Into what's the radius given to you?
15. So
Okay,
15 square is 225
And what is the question asked? dr by dt.
dr upon dt.
Very good. So what exactly dr
So
by dt?
900 upon 4 pi into 225 will get 1 upon pi centimeter square inverse.
Very good. 1 upon pi centimeter second inverse.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Centimeter per second. 1 upon pi.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
dear students. How many fill have got this part correct? Raise your hands. Nishant, Ritesh, Soham, 3 students. Ashmita has got it right now. She only said it. What about the rest of them 4? Anybody else? Okay, doesn't matter. But students, do keep in mind, try to go for it very clearly. Next lecture we'll be picking up some more questions of this type, and we move further ahead with your maxima, minima, and integration. But we'll be solving some more questions on derivatives for that. Okay, students. So revise formulas. Don't miss out formulas. Okay, students.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
so actually I have started solving MCQs from Fingertips book for NEET,
Yeah.
like for preparing for the test CBT. So just wanted to ask that in that Fingertips book, the MCQs related to vectors are a bit easier than the module ones. So our basis will be like how they ask for NEET or like for module.
Yes, yes, that is what the book is. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ तो स्टूडेंट्स डोंट पैनिक इन दैट केस व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट फिंगर टिप से जो क्वेश्चंस हैं क्योंकि हम क्या करा रहे हैं हम थोड़ा सा लेवल वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन इन सच अ मैनर दैट व्हेन सम अदर थिंग्स आर डूइंग इट विल गेट एंड दैट इज द लेवल दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम जो फिंगर टिप से तुम करते हो या यूएसए से तुम करोगे या एमटीजी से करोगे फॉर नीट स्टूडेंट्स उसमें से ही योर पार्ट इज दैट लेकिन तुम अगर वही करने बैठोगे रिया तो उसमें फिर तुम्हें ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट क्योंकि तुम्हें क्लियर नहीं होगा अगर तुम्हें तो ट्राई टू गो फॉर स्लाइटली हायर you'll be automatically getting that more easier. So the pattern is what you're doing at fingertips. That is what the pattern we consider. Don't worry about that, okay? And you're going on a correct track. Okay, nothing to worry
So
about.
would you recommend any books for JEE?
For JEE students, you can see one thing. If it is, you can go for HCV. HC Verma is the one. Your module is one. HC Verma is the second one, which you have to do it. किसी भी हाल में तुम्हें करना है. Next, if you can go for it. You can go for DC Pandey. You can go for Aryant in that case. DC Pandey or Aryant ki books you can go for. DC Pandey is the one we consider. You can go for this. So these are the ones. So try to go for your module, your HCV. You can go for DC Pandey. Is that clear for JEE Mains? Yeah, Aryant ki books hogi.
Yes,
Uske baad you can go for these books. And try to do one book. Don't go for too many at one time. अगर suppose ध्यान से सुनना, अगर तुम suppose DC Pandey से practice कर रहे हो तो सॉल्व करो प्रॉब्लम्स अरियंत में से पेपर सॉल्व करो अरियंत का एवरी चैप्टर के पीछे दे गिव यू 20-25 क्वेश्चंस एज अ टेस्ट तुम्हारी जब टेस्ट होती है ना मेजर टेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स तो तुम डीसी पांडे से तुम प्रैक्टिस करो लेकिन पेपर जब भी सॉल्व करोगे तो अरियंत में से करना पीछे
यानी इनडायरेक्टली तुम्हारे अरिहंत के पेपर्स के हो रहा है, या तुम अरिहंत में से अगर तुम पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स अगर प्रैक्टिस करो तो पेपर सॉल्व करो डीसी पांडे से, यानी यू कैन गेट अ नैक ऑफ both the types of it. Is that clear? But don't do
Yes, sir.
too many
Yes, sir.
things at one time. Don't do too many things at one time. Gradually eat, digest, and as time moves ahead, you will be gaining confidence. ये चीजें students और better होगी when actually you will do it, integration and derivatives and maths part of it. Then see, you will be so confident. ये जो मैं problem डालूंगा तुम ये इतना solve भी नहीं करोगे, directly 900 बोलोगे. You'll give me the answer like that. You will like this, you'll be solving it. And you have the entire year to move. It's not like that कि integration derivatives हो गया तो बाद में नहीं, maths में पूरा होगा जब भी तुम्हारा और physics groom होगा. Okay, students? चलो.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
चलो, bye.